Will I get my crypto back from Gemini? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's been on a lot of people's minds lately, Gemini. Specifically, I'm going to be answering the question, will I get my crypto back from Gemini? Before I get into that, I want to take a moment to address the elephant in the room. Gemini is currently facing a lot of scrutiny, and there are a lot of people who are worried about the safety of their funds. I want to be clear that I am not here to defend Gemini. In fact, I have some serious concerns about the company. However, I also want to be honest with you. There is a chance that you will get your crypto back from Gemini. What is happening with Gemini? Before I get into the specifics of your situation, I want to give you a quick overview of what is happening with Gemini. Gemini is a cryptocurrency exchange that has been in business since 2015. The company is based in the United States and is regulated by the New York State Department of Financial Services. In November 2022, Gemini announced that it was partnering with Genesis Global Trading to launch a new product called Gemini Earn. Gemini Earn allowed users to earn interest on their cryptocurrency holdings. However, in November 2022, Genesis Global Trading filed for bankruptcy. This left Gemini customers unable to withdraw their funds. Since then, Gemini has been working to resolve the situation. The company has stated that it is committed to returning all customer funds. However, it is unclear when this will happen. What are your options? If you are a Gemini customer who is concerned about the safety of your funds, there are a few things you can do. Monitor the situation. Keep an eye on the news for updates on the Gemini situation. Contact Gemini. You can contact Gemini customer support for more information about your situation. File a complaint. If you believe that Gemini has violated the law, you can file a complaint with the New York State Department of Financial Services. Seek legal counsel. If you are considering taking legal action against Gemini, it is important to speak to an attorney. What are the chances of getting your crypto back? It is difficult to say for sure what the chances of getting your crypto back from Gemini are. However, there are a few factors that you should consider. The size of your claim. The larger your claim, the more likely you are to be able to get your money back. The timing of your claim. The earlier you file your claim, the more likely you are to be able to get your money back. The legal action you take. If you take legal action against Gemini, you may be able to increase your chances of getting your money back. If you are a Gemini customer who is concerned about the safety of your funds, I understand your concerns. However, I want to encourage you to be patient. The situation is still developing, and there is a chance that you will get your money back. In the meantime, there are a few things you can do to protect yourself. First, monitor the situation and keep an eye on the news for updates. Second, contact Gemini customer support for more information about your situation. Third, consider filing a complaint with the New York State Department of Financial Services. Finally, seek legal counsel if you are considering taking legal action against Gemini. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, I hope this script is helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions.